Hey there, foodies! Today, we're making a delicious and healthy quinoa and black bean salad bowl with creamy avocado and zesty lime dressing. It's perfect for a quick and easy lunch or dinner. To start, cook some quinoa according to package instructions. While the quinoa is cooking, rinse and drain a can of black beans and chop up some fresh veggies like red bell pepper, red onion, and cilantro. Once the quinoa is done, let it cool for a few minutes before adding in the black beans and veggies. Toss everything together and divide the mixture into bowls. Now it's time to make the avocado and lime dressing. In a blender or food processor, combine 1 ripe avocado, the juice of 1 lime, a clove of garlic, a splash of olive oil, and some salt and pepper. Blend until smooth and creamy. Drizzle the dressing over the salad bowls and garnish with extra cilantro and lime wedges if desired. And that's it. Your quinoa and black bean salad bowls with avocado and lime dressing are ready to be enjoyed. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes.